Here we have the BIC Flex 4 Sensitive Hybrid Men's 4-blade disposable razor. This kit comes with one handle and 4 cartridges for a smooth shave. You could also order one handle with 12 cartridges or 2 handles with 8. 4 long-lasting, flexible blades individually adjust to the contours of your skin. The lubricating strip is enriched with aloe and enhances the glide and protects the skin from irritation. This disposable shaver has a pivoting head which adjusts to your movements, while an anti-slip handle provides better control while shaving. This is a good razor to keep in your gym bag or in your travel kit. I found that this razor really feels like a permanent razor and not just a disposable razor. Very good quality, ergonomic handle for superior control. It's one of the better disposable razors that I have tried.